Check the way this footage looking, man. My window dirty though. It's that 4K I'm trying out. I need to get a gimbal, but anyway, I'm about to turn it around. What's up, y'all? Hey, I got a lot of stuff going. It's Saturday. I'm at work. I just flashed the PCM shift. I'm on lunch for all y'all who always talking about I don't work. And it is Saturday, so yeah, man. So a lot of stuff going on. I'm in a time where I could re-enlist and stay in, but I don't have the option to leave right now. So I ain't trying to stay here no longer than I got to, you know what I'm saying? So I don't really know. It's in the air, man. Like, yeah, it's in the air. So it's something big is going on right now. So with that, I don't know if I want to spend $6,000 on this Chevy. It's gonna be like $6,000, man. New welder, quarter pounders. I'm still gonna blast it. I'm still gonna blast it because I already bought stuff for that. Blast it in all the media. I'm gonna blast it and then see what all it needs. So it needs some patches around the windows, all the weather stripping, quarters, fenders, hood. The hood, that's something I could possibly fix though, so I ain't gonna too much worry about that. Whole new front end, a lot of those parts bent, out of shape. The car ain't even level. All new suspension parts, disc brakes, front and back, cause they got drones front and back. So man, I was literally about to spend like $6,000, but it was going in right after the Malibu come out. But my wife's like, nah, you need to go get them cars. So I got 6 cars that I got like for sale, but none of them done. And the reason why is like all the stuff going on. So this is one big event out the way. It's not really over till the 23rd, but it's like, might as well say it's over. It'll be over in 4 days. So once this over, man, I'll be like back to my regular schedule program for about 5 weeks. So I got a new bill coming. Everybody that follow me on Instagram, y'all already seen it. But if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's there. And for those who do follow on Instagram, don't bust it out, because I'm gonna put a video up in about 2 days, maybe less. So stay tuned, looking for that bill. But yeah, like I said, I don't really know. So we're gonna put the Chevy on hold for a second. I'm gonna still try to do some replacement on the body panels in the quarter panel and outer quarter panels. I can always do that and then still take the frame off later, because I'm gonna take that frame off. I don't want to get no rust, and I don't want the floors to get rusty at all. So the floors probably got some pinholes and stuff like that, but it wasn't nothing too bad like that 2-door box. Like literally no car I got is that bad. Besides that Monte Carlo probably be in the running with all the rust. But all right, so once I do move, I'm trying to get me a garage, man. And I was looking like, why do everybody's shop got one big door or 2 big doors? And the reason why is doors cost. Like, I was looking at a 5-car shop, man, on eBay, man. It was just all the metal and frame and everything for a 5-car shop with a room like to work in, but it's like basically a 6-car shop with 5 doors. And it's 16,000, I believe. So 16,000, man. Concrete it'd probably be close to 15,000. So that's a nice little shop. And it's like 30, I believe it was 30 by 62. So 1,800 square feet ain't too huge. I mean, it ain't what I want, but it definitely it's nice. So it'd be like literally doors, man. They like 1,500, and then electric doors probably out like another 500. You got motors, wiring, chains, like all that stuff, man, for 5 doors. And I was like, yeah, that's why everybody shop got a 1 door or 2 doors. Nobody want to spend all that money. So it all makes sense now. So yeah, I was gonna get a 30 by 40, but it can only fit like 6 cars, man. And then half my shop gonna be sort of storage for my own cars. So, and that's gonna be at the house too. So I'm trying to there's a lot of stuff going on in my mind, man, because I ain't got enough money to just go buy that and then open another shop. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do, man. I probably have to go get a job. Like, it's a lot of options, man. I got school, get paid, using GI Bill, man. I got plumbers union, carpenters union, electrical union, electrics union. But I mean, I got what is it called, Raytheon, this whole bunch of like radio companies that make radios for the military. And the fact that fact that I already know the stuff and I've been doing it for a little while, I can get jobs like that. I'm still gonna take that fiber optics class again, try to make that an option. I'm gonna try to get my 18 wheeler CDLs before I get out. They give me an option to do that. They have a few optional classes, like once you know you're transitioning out, that you can get the opportunity to take. And I think welding is one here, but I know at Fort Carson welding was definitely an option. Underwater welding and welding. So I want to try to get one of them options, man. Welding is actually pretty cool if you like know what you're doing. I don't know what I'm doing right now, but I'm figuring my way. I got something with that too, like y'all see. I ain't gonna say too much, but y'all just keep y'all head on swivel, man. Next 5 weeks, man, I'm telling you, it's about to be a lot of stuff coming out here now. Yeah, so new series, man. I got a new series called DIY. So that's basically, my wife's like, yeah, you need to make a basic series of videos, like how to do this, how to do that, because not everybody want to look at base, LS swap, paint body. Like that was always my goal, like to be able to do anything on the car, and I feel like I'm getting to that point. And not everybody want to do that. They want to learn how to do like basic stuff. And then somebody else told me that too. Like, man, you need to make a video on how to do some brakes, because I need to learn how to do brakes in my car. I'm tired of paying these people. Like, it was one of my buddies, man, in Colorado Springs. They charge like $75 per axle for brakes. Plus, and that was like a mobile, like, so it was cheaper. So other people charged $100 an hour. The book said it take 40 minutes to do one, so you was getting charged 40 minutes to an hour. That's what, 2/3, $60 per axle. I don't know. That's a lot, cause I charge $20 each axle, or unless I ain't really got nothing going on, I'll probably charge $30. But anyway, yeah. So I'm gonna have a basic DIY series. So it's probably gonna be called DIY series, literally, and then semicolon and whatever it is. So y'all be on the lookout for that. And then another one that I might have is what is it called? Flaw time. So I got a lot of things that I do, and then flaws happen, and I try to put them up there, but sometimes, man, it be like so bad that I feel like somebody may be thinking like, man, he don't know what he doing type stuff. But in all reality, I know what I'm doing in my head, but it just ain't coming out with my hands. And I end up figuring it out, but I feel like a lot of people would be on the same, hitting the same mark as me, and they don't know what to do, and they just give up. So I can feel like I can show my flaws and how I get over it and how I do what I do when flaws and stuff happen. So I feel like flaw time would be pretty cool, but I don't want to have people that masters at this stuff and talk crap. Like that would really make me mad, because I'm not doing it for them. But still, because I see it all the time, man, like on wiring videos and plumbing videos, the wires and the plumbers, the journeymen, they go and bash these people that's showing other people how to do these cheap fixes and stuff like that. And like, these people ain't here for y'all to be watching. Like, I'm not doing that for these master mechanics and these master painting body guys to watch. I'm doing it for people that's trying to learn and do it, and you know, like, hey, this might be an option for me. Like that. I'm not doing it for these people that's already know what they're doing. Like, they love to bash you, man. So I mean, like, I don't really care, but I don't want to see that. Like, I don't want to see that at all. Like, so that's why I'm thinking of not doing it, but that's why I'm thinking of doing it. So yeah, flaw time, that'd be another series. So I'm trying to see, y'all tell me what y'all think, if y'all even watch it. All right, one of my goals was to get the trailer tip top, man, because if I do get out, we gonna need it. We taking 6 cars with us. So we got my truck and trailer, that's one set, van, her box, my box, Chevelle, and her Malibu. So we taking all that. There ain't no way around it. I'm taking my van. I was thinking about selling my van, but I'm thinking like, man, do I really want to sell my van? Like, how much I love this van. Like, a lot of people like, oh man, be alright, you grow out of that type of stuff, but I want to keep my van. I'm for real, I want to keep my van. I don't want to sell my van. She was just telling me, you should just sell it and get another one. Nope, don't want to do it. If I do, man, I'm probably still gonna keep this, just put it in the backyard type stuff, and then get like an 8-door. But yeah, I want to keep my van. Yeah, so the trailer, it got electric brakes. Like I was saying, I want to put air brakes on it because the truck's set up for air. But the truck got a 7-pin harness. The 7-pin harness has a wire that go from the brakes. Like, when you hit the brakes, the wire get power and it sends power to the solenoids on the electric brakes. So the trailer got dual axles and dual electric brakes. Like I went and looked, like, cause that was one of my goals. So that's like basically done. So I just gotta figure out what's up with the electric brakes. Maybe it's the truck, because when I go rent the single car haulers, they got 7-pin harnesses too. And same thing be happening with the truck, man. Once it get low, then on it don't be wanting to like stop that easy. So I definitely gotta look into that. Maybe it's the truck, maybe it's the wiring on the truck, and maybe I don't know. So I'm thinking it's the truck now. So I need to do that, and I need to get some tires for it, man. But all right, man, that's it, man. That's my rundown. But yeah, it's about to be lit, man. I'm telling y'all. So y'all just keep y'all head on swivel, man. Next 5 weeks before the last big event happen, I'm finna have 2-3 videos a week, man. So yeah, it's coming. It's coming.